So what we have here is the Gen 3 RF antenna. So this is the RFM module. So what we have here inside here, and things we need to check for, is there is the system OK light, which should be on 90% of the time and off 10% of the time. Then there's the RF sensor light. So this here, I know you see it in the light here, but it's got a little flicker. So every time it detects any activity, it flickers. So if this is solid, then you're not going to have communication with your system, or the Gen 3 system, to the wall sensors or to your wireless touch panel if you have one. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.